Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to vectorize text in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, type text style Arial black and type text. Press Ctrl T, resize, hold Ctrl, align middle. Then select the text layer, right click on your mouse, convert to shape. Then go to File, Save as, drop down menu, find SVG. Find PDF. Finally, save format, Photoshop EPS or PDF. See this as you wish. Example, I use EPS. Select a location, save. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.